I have the latest news on the Wiki Page announcement in January. If you remember, I shared with you that Microsoft is planning to retire the Wiki Page and replacing it with OneNote by April 2023. They had planned to provide users with an exporting tool to convert the Wiki pages starting in mid-February. Well, they received feedback from users. I am not surprised. In this video, I'm going to cover the questions and answers that Microsoft had provided, as well as the adjusted timeline for they have delayed this project. So let's get right into it. Why did Microsoft retire the Wiki Page? Well, they just responded that the current Wiki Page functionality just does not support the users' taking notes needs for today and going towards the future. And what they've done is they have broken down this project actually in 3 phases. The first phase is starting in early March that users cannot create new wiki pages. They can read and write to existing wiki pages. They can start exporting it to OneNote, and they really urge, that's the term that they use, urge users to export to OneNote. Now, just remember, once you export the wiki page to OneNote, the wiki page will become read-only. Make sure you watch my video, Wiki Page Peace Out, where I talk about the expectations and I even show you some screenshots that was provided by Microsoft. If you found this information valuable, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and then we'll dive into the next timeline. So the next timeline is come June 2023, Microsoft will no longer support the Wiki app, but the users will still have access to the Wiki page and have the ability to still, export to OneNote. So come January 2024, the Wiki page and the Wiki app will not be accessible in Teams and users will not be able to export. So the next question that came to people's mind is, what happens to my existing data? And so that content will be in SharePoint. You can download it from SharePoint, and I will do a separate video on how to download it, and it will stay there until your company's retention policy. So that's good. Another question that they received, which I was not surprised about, is can you do a bulk export at the tenant level and the end users level? And the answer is no. It's one wiki tab at a time. So again, that's going to be a lot of work for some teams. One known limitation that Microsoft shared was that when you convert to OneNote, it's only in light mode and not dark mode. Okay, so that's all I have. You know what I know. And, let me know how you feel about this change. Again, remember to subscribe to my channel to stay connected if there's any more information about the Wiki page in OneNote.